Welcome to this tutorial on how to fix Trust Wallet transaction pending issues. Trust Wallet is a popular mobile wallet used for storing and managing various cryptocurrencies. If you are experiencing pending transactions, it can be frustrating, but there are steps you can take to resolve the issue. First, it is essential to understand that pending transactions occur when the blockchain network is congested, or the transaction fee is too low. To fix this, start by checking the transaction status on the Blockchain Explorer. This will give you an idea of whether the transaction is stuck or if it is being processed. Next, try increasing the transaction fee. You can do this by going to the Trust Wallet app, selecting the transaction, and clicking on the Speed Up button. This will allow you to increase the gas price, which can help the transaction process faster. Another solution is to use the Trust Wallet support feature. The app has a built-in support system that allows you to contact the team directly. They can assist you in resolving any issues related to pending transactions. It is also crucial to keep your Trust Wallet app up to date. Outdated versions may have bugs that can cause pending transactions. Make sure to check for updates regularly to ensure you have the latest version. Additionally, be patient and wait for some time. Sometimes, pending transactions can take a while to process, especially during times of high network congestion. It is essential to avoid making multiple transactions at the same time, as this can increase the chances of pending transactions. In conclusion, fixing Trust Wallet transaction pending issues requires patience and some troubleshooting. By checking the transaction status, increasing the transaction fee, using the support feature, keeping the app up to date, and being patient, you can resolve pending transaction issues and ensure a smooth user experience. Remember to always prioritize security and safety when using cryptocurrency wallets, and never share your private keys or seed phrases with anyone.